Hi guys, well, welcome back to the channel. I've just got back from a week's holiday at the beach, so feeling nice and chilled and relaxed, and was good to have a little bit of time off from the painting. Gave me some time to think about things and where I want to take my painting. So yeah, all in all, it was a good break. Right, today we are going to be doing a swipe just like this one here. This is the one I did last week. But the blue that I used was way too dark, and as you can see here, there's some very dark sections, so I thought I'd go over that. We're going to be using three different kinds of blue, sort of dark, medium blue and a light blue, and our swipe color is going to be purple, my favorite color, as you all know. So I'm just going to put the white down here, and I'll cut back when we're ready to go. Okay guys, there we go. As you can see, I've put down the white, and today I'm going to be swiping slightly differently. I normally cover the entire canvas with the colors and then swipe. I've seen a few videos recently on YouTube where the artists put down lines of color and then swipe on that. So that's what we're going to try today. I'm also going to try leave a section in the middle because I want to do some writing in there once the painting's dried. So right, let's get this paint down. Okay guys, there we go. As you can see, I'm going to be swiping down on this one, and I'm hoping that we get some nice cells coming through. As usual, I've put some silicone into the swiping mix along with my normal mix of 1 part paint and 3 parts Floetrol. Right, let's give this a go and see what comes out. Okay, here we go, second time lucky. There we go for the first one. Oh, that's looking great. I can see the cells coming up already. I'm just going to give it a little flame before we do the other side. Perfect, and those cells will develop over the next couple of minutes. Right, I'm just going to turn this around. Like that. Make sure that's centered. There we go. Okay, let's get ready for swipe number 2. I think I'm going to do the colors in reverse and see how that works. Well, some crazy cells coming out on the other side there. I actually put a little bit of this regular gel gloss, which is from the Golden brand. It's a clear, drying, heavy body acrylic medium. On the advice of another artist, she said she always puts a little bit of that into a mixture. So that's what I've done, and maybe that's why we're getting these awesome cells coming through. Right, let's do the second one. Alright, there we go guys. That is looking good. Let me just get this flame. I'm not sure about this section here. I think I might actually do that one again. Wow, there's some crazy cells coming out. Probably the best cells I've had in all my painting, so I guess that putting in that little bit of golden regular gel gloss into the mix helped things out, helped these cells develop. Yeah, I mean, these cells are just crazy. I love it. I love it. I love it when something works out that you didn't expect it to. There we go. I'm just wondering about this area here, whether we're going to have enough cells coming through or not, or whether I need to put a little bit more purple and swipe it. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that one, but I do see a few cells coming through here. Let me just flame this area a little bit more and see if we can get anything coming through. Because otherwise it doesn't really match the rest of the painting. No, I think something's going to come through here. I might leave it like that. That other side is looking ridiculous. When I show you on the close-up, you're gonna be amazed. But I just hope this little section on the left here is also going to develop, because it looks like the odd one out at the moment. So actually, what I might do is just do another swipe just in this section here, just along there. So let me just put a little bit more paint down. There we go. That's exactly what I wanted. Now it's going to match the rest of the painting, and we've got some beautiful white here. So when I do the writing, it's going to stand out really nicely. So all in all, I'm pretty stoked with this. Yes, now we're talking cells. There we go. I'm just going to fix up the sides, so I'll cut back once that's done. Right guys, there you have it. One of my new favorite paintings. Some amazing cells. I'm not sure if it's the technique of laying the colors on top of each other, as opposed to how I do it normally by putting all the colors out, that's creating the cells. It may well be. Excuse me while I get some paint with my jeans while it's still wet. Or perhaps it was the gel gloss that I put into the swipe mix that's caused this amazing cell formation. Either way, I'll do both again, or maybe I'll do one the next time and try and narrow down exactly what it is that has caused all these cells. But I'm super happy with this. Once it's dry, I'm going to be doing a bit of writing across the middle and sending this to a YouTuber here in South Africa. He's just moved into a new study and his wall is empty, so I thought it would be a good way to try and get my paintings seen and talked about, and hopefully sell a few at the same time. So there you have it guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers. I think there's 2 more to go. I haven't checked recently. I checked last week. So yeah, if you guys could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. Guys, thanks for watching. Good to be back and painting again, and to have a successful one like this when it actually works out way better than you thought it would. So super stoked about that. I'll be back later in the week for sure to do another painting. And until then, enjoy the rest of your week. Here's the close-up.